Okay, so this is the game, and it's very simple, classic snake. And you see the fruit there that you have to catch, get the score on it, and it has no sound yet, but we will add it soon, maybe tomorrow. And yes, that's all. We'll see, take a look at the code as soon as we can to explain how this was made. With the sounds will be nicer, of course. It's not so easy to find the right sound for the game, and I will also explain how to initialize the sounds in Pygame so that there is no lag in the sound, because if you do not initialize Python Pygame well, you could hear some lag in the sound. But if you do the proper initialization stuff, you will have no lag at all. And so I'm using the Pygame 2.0.0 Dev 10 version of Pygame that works with Python 3.8. Now I got the last version at the moment of Python, that is the 3.8.5, that is just yesterday exit, and it works very fine. And this is the Pygame 2, so it's not the 1.9.96 version that is the official release, but it's the new one, the Pygame 2, that use SDL2. It's newer, and you see sometimes it goes out of the screen and nothing happens. And okay, that's all. The game is this. It goes quite nicely and quite smoothly. And then I explain also the way I update the screen without clearing everything, like I did also with Arkanoid, the Arkanoid clone. Thank you.